Hey friends, okay, I've got something super exciting to share today, especially if you've been wanting to start making extra income online, but everything out there feels confusing, expensive, or just a lot. So a little quick backstory for anyone who's new here. I've been married to my husband Ronnie for 42 years. We've raised 3 awesome kids. We've got 5 beautiful grandbabies running around and a very needy lab/golden doodle mix who thinks she's the queen of the house. She's basically my furry supervisor, if you will. But a year ago, we hit a huge financial curveball. My husband had to retire early, and we were suddenly staring at almost $7,000 in bills each month with zero retirement savings, zero 401k. I know we were dumb. And let me tell you, Social Security doesn't even touch that kind of monthly expense. If you've ever had one of those, oh wow, we need a plan B right now moments, yeah, that was us. So that's when I dove into digital marketing. I started learning everything I could: content, sales, digital products, passive income, the whole thing. I joined the Legacy Builders program, and honestly, it helped me so much. It's an incredible program for anyone wanting to get into digital marketing because it covers all the bases. But here's the truth: not everyone can drop $900 at once on a digital marketing course. So I wanted to create something that regular people could afford, something that gives you everything you need to start making money online fast, without the tech headaches, without the giant price tag, without the overwhelm. And then maybe they can do the legacy builders once they have some money coming in. So I created something brand new, the complete digital marketing blueprint, and it comes with Master Resell Rights. That means you don't just learn digital marketing, you can resell the guide yourself and keep 100% of the profits. Hello. You heard that right. All yours, every sale. No revenue share, no hidden fees, no complicated setup. In the blueprint, I teach you step by step the real basics of digital marketing, how to create the digital products. If you want to, you can just use products like this that are already done for you. How to promote them, how to post content, even if you're shy like me, how to use Facebook, TikTok, Craigslist, even Reddit and Quora. Copy and paste scripts, how to attract buyers, how to turn this into daily income, all in plain English. I created it so beginners could actually understand it. So moms, dads, grandparents, retirees, busy 9-to-5ers, anyone can start earning. And here's the kicker: it's only $7. That's intentional, okay? I wanted to price it this low so that anyone who wants a real shot at online income can take it. So, if you've been praying for something to change, if you want a simple way to start online income, or if you want a product you can sell immediately without creating it yourself, this is it. You don't need experience, you don't need tech skills, you just need to start. I'll drop the link below. If you have questions, message me. I'm always happy to help. Let's build your digital income together. So, see you in the blueprint.